In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy fractional shares on Interactive Brokers. Now, currently I'm here on the client portal on Interactive Brokers, and what you have to do first is actually enable fractional shares. So to do this, you want to go to your client portal, you want to hover over Trade on here and click on it, and then you want to click on Trading Permissions. Now, inside Trading Permissions here, you'll be able to go ahead and see stocks over here. So where you can see stocks, you want to click on Edit. And then inside this edit tab, you'll be able to see here at the very bottom, it's going to say all global and then global trade in fractions. Now make sure this is enabled. If it's not, you'll have to enable it. And then when you do so, you'll be able to go ahead and buy fractional shares. So if I now go ahead and, for example, search for some symbols up here, for example, like NVIDIA or something, I'm going to show you that it's now actually possible to trade in fractions. So to actually buy just parts or fractions of a stock. Now over here, if I hit the buy button, as you can see, by default, it's of course a 100 over here, but if you want to buy fractions, so shares, I can go ahead and set shares over here, not USD, but shares. And then I'm going to go and do, like, for example, 0.2. And as you can see here, it's going to give me the price, and I can buy 0.2. So basically 20% of a stock, which is just like 0.2 in shares. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.